Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how to configure TrueSight Network Automation connector in TrueSight Automation Console. There are two methods to configure TSNA connector in TSAC. First method is during TSAC installation. During TSAC installation, it will ask to select option for endpoint manager like server automation, network automation or both. Based on the requirement, you can select option, provide the values and configure the connector. The second method is after TSAC installation. Log on to TrueSight Automation Console as an administrative user, example BL admin. Go to connector, manage connector. By default, TSNA connector will be disabled. Click on three dots, edit, provide TSNA hostname. It should be fully qualified or the IP address of TSNA, port number, realm name, username, password, in the realm name. The data refresh interval by default is 60 minutes. This is used to how frequently data to be collected from TSNA. Click on save. Again, click on three dots. Click on enable. After successfully configuring the TSNA connector, please navigate to this URL for login to TSAC as TSNA Endpoint Manager. Thank you.